How to use DataCamp on mobile devices. Are guests facing issues to use DataCamp app on a mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use DataCamp on a mobile device, start by downloading the DataCamp app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download it on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. So once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you will be forwarded to this home page or home screen. You will see your active courses, skill tracks, and personalized recommendations. Tap on any course to continue learning right when you left on. The mobile app supports interactive coding exercises, assessments, quizzes, and videos so you can practice on the ego. You can also download lessons offline, making it easy to learn without internet access. To do so, just simply go to the recommended or your interested courses that are available on DataCamp. Once you open the courses, just simply tap on download button. And all your progress is automatically synced with the desktop version. So whether you learn on your phone or computer, your work stays up to the date. That's it guys. That's how we're going to use DataCamp on mobile device. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.